Good morning. We're coming at you from just, I guess, east of the Cricket Mountain Range today. We've had, I think there was 6 people that said they were going on the ride today, and I think we have about 10, but we're ready to ride today. It's going to be a beautiful day for it. I think we're supposed to hit 60 today. We have Sterling and Diana. We have John and Tug joining us back again. It's been a while. They've been out with John's surgery, but we're glad to have them back. We have Doug and Marcia. We have Jeff and Daryl and Ryan, Gary and Diane. And then there's a couple, and Nick and Kevin. There was a couple people that went up the road, and Ryan went up to retrieve them, so I'm not sure who it is. Everybody that said they were coming was here, so we got a couple extras, which is great. The more the merrier. So we'll figure out who they are when they get back here, and then we'll catch you out on the trail. We have Ziggy. Ziggy's here today. I think Ziggy's the only doggo that came with us today. There's a Ziggy. Anyway, we'll catch you guys out on the trail. It's going to be a beautiful day. Not many clouds in the sky. I think we're supposed to hit 60 degrees. Well, 60 degrees in town today, so it'll probably be a little cooler than that. But we'll dress for it. We'll be warm. It'll be fun. New territory, new trail. Could be adventurous. We'll leave it adventurous. Catch you in a bit.
What's up, Angus? Everybody, this is Angus.
Pepper. We're ready. Okay.
I'm your guide today. Everybody ready to ride? Let's go. Man, it's been a long winter. Been a long winter. Thanks for coming out.
I think we have 11. 1, 2,
Yeah,
3, 4,
let's
5,
rip.
6, 7, 8. Alright, we've made it to our first potty break. Tony decided it was time for a potty break. So we'll do a little walk to the back. What do you think? Uh-huh.
It's a nice day.
It is. You getting dusty yet? Ziggy, are you dusty?
Oh yeah.
What about you two?
He's thirsty.
Whoa. What do you think?
It's a good ride.
So far?
Yeah.
So far, so good? Yeah? We got head shakes. You doing good? Okay. See how dusty Dougie Doug is. He's always dusty. You dusty yet, Doug?
Let's try to keep the dust down.
Well, I ordered a little rainstorm this week, but it didn't show up.
Oh.
Man, you are dusty. Look at that. Your pocket's full of dust already. What do you think? Besides dusty.
That's a hell of a nice road.
Yeah?
This is a nice trip.
We're having fun?
It is.
Did you burn yourself again?
Yeah.
You were behind us and then you disappeared.
There's a little trail.
Oh, okay. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
What do you think? It's all right?
Where's the rough part?
Not yet. Not yet. This is getting us
I see
geared
some
up. I
snow.
mean, we haven't been out for a while, so we got to remember where the pedals are. Hey, what do you think, Johnny?
Not much.
Not much. It's fun. Do you remember what this is about now?
Vaguely.
Remember what you're missing for the last year?
Vaguely.
Perfect weather, Emma.
Perfect. I ordered the right weather today.
Oh my God! This is the weather I love riding in.
Yeah. So, you having fun?
Oh yeah.
Oh, good. I see a smile.
Feels good to be out. And
It's good to have you back out. We've missed you for the last year.
I think he's struggling a little bit, but he's okay.
A little stiff and sore. Well, if you need me to come back and drive, I can come back and drive. Okay, you can go ride with Tony.
I'm good.
Okay, I thought so. All right, we'll make our way back up to the front of the line, and then we'll get down the road again.
Is actually the one to put that office.
some dust. We left probably Angus and Dean up at their vehicles. They parked up the hill, and Ryan, possibly. Poor Nick has burned the crap out of his leg today on his machine. We need to get that boy some chaps. Maybe they all stopped at the top. Oh, here comes Doug and Marcia. What do you think? Yeah? You dusty?
Dusty, but it was a fun ride.
Awesome. Nick, you need some chaps. There's Dusty Doug. Dusty Doug and Marcia. There's Gary and Diane. What's up? Gary and Diane made it back. There's Jeff. Who else we missing? John and Tug and yep, John and Tug. They're probably still up talking to Angus. Anyway, it was a fun day. It was a great day. I didn't think we were supposed to have any cloud cover today. That weatherman's 10% was wrong today. I mean, by 10%, I mean like he's 10% right 10% of the time. And today he was wrong. So it was supposed to be sunny and 60 all day, and here we are with not 60. Well, it's nice, but I wore my hoodie most of the day. I could have put on my jacket the last part of the day, but anyway, some cloud cover rolled in about lunchtime. You guys sticker? He was three-legged. You got a sticker? You got an owie.
He jumped out.
Oh, you got an owie.
Yeah, he's done that before.
All right.
A couple days, he'll be just fine.
Did you have fun?
Oh, had a freaking blast.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet. Got a little dusty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know.
Your hair's changed colors since we left.
Yeah. Got some color to it now.
Yeah. It's a nice grayish red tint. Anyway, I'm sure mine's got plenty of it in there too. But
You're not bad.
you know, that's what happens when you're in the front. You don't get too much dust.
That's the nice thing about having that enclosure half the time.
It wasn't even closed.
Oh no?
No, at all. Anyway, we'll see what these folks think about it. Oh, let's talk to these guys. Tug! Why are we back so early?
Got it, 10 miles.
Oh, man. You want to go again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Tony, Tug's not done. She says we gotta go back. No, she says that we need to go do it again. It was too short. No, that was the ride. That was all of it. Yeah, that was the ride.
It was?
Yeah. Yep, the whole thing.
Because John just was saying the first time out, he might not want to
Oh, no.
leave there at 8 o'clock at night and drive.
No, that was all of the 60 miles we were supposed to go. We did it. Did you have fun?
I have a while.
You hooked again?
I'm hooked again.
All right, ready for 2 weeks from now?
Yeah, we're going to come.
Perfect.
No, we're not going to do that one.
Oh.
Because of the rocks. John doesn't want
Oh.
to. But we're going to do this spring.
The spring in St. George.
This spring is September.
Perfect.
That's a little bit far.
No, it's a couple weeks out, 3 weeks out. Anyway, we're gonna jump off of here and load up.